Good morning. This is the Great Basin Fire Briefing, Prescribed Fire, Friday, May 17th. Still quite a few burn projects all across the Great Basin. You're noticing interlaced in the yellow circle some small natural fires that have popped up recently in the past few days, also in the past 24 hours in the little red circles, and a lot of that is due to the dryness. You can see not much precip here on the left-hand side across the western Great Basin, or really just about everywhere, and definitely below normal, 0 to 25% of normal in most areas. You can see the 100-hour fuels, especially across Nevada, have dropped into the mid to upper single digits. And even down into the low teens across the Snake River Plain and parts of eastern Utah. And you can see this dry air mass by the tannish or reddish shade moving into the Great Basin. There's a bit of a cold front up north, but it's going to take a little while to get here. Excellent overall ventilation or dispersion areas in the white. You can see the humidity levels quite dry, upper single digits to low teens across Nevada, and teens stretching up into parts of Idaho as well. And yeah, we're getting later into May, so this is not unusual. Some strong winds up north ahead of that cold front across parts of Idaho and definitely western Wyoming on the transport side. Actually, that's on the surface side. The transport winds quite strong in the purple and reddish shades, looking at maybe 35 to 45 miles an hour, and even picking up across parts of the Wasatch and into the northeastern Nevada as we go through the afternoon. Mixing heights, no problems there, anywhere from like 7 to 10,000 feet above ground level. And there's the dry air mass, but still windy. Tomorrow afternoon, excellent overall dispersion again with the low humidities in a lot of areas, single digits in the south, low to mid-teens, pushing northwards. Surface winds, breeziest across parts of Idaho and western Wyoming, also northwest Nevada, and another ribbon of winds in the far south. You can see the transport winds indicated through here, not quite as strong as today. Good overall mixing. This lower mixing across parts of Utah and Nevada is due to clouds and showers that'll be overspreading the region. Some areas will be in this area in the black here. So on Sunday, again, dry air mass in the south, dry air mass in the north, but this black shade here with little dots of green, that's where the cold front will start to stall out. And we can see showers and thunderstorms popping up through there along with breezy conditions. Excellent dispersion again. Here's the transport winds on the left, the humidity on the right-hand side. Actually, that was surface. These are the transport winds, and more akin to ridgetop winds, strongest again up in the north. Vertical mixing heights looking good. 3-day precipitation totals, and these will be the showers that will pop up across parts of central Nevada, central and northeastern Utah over the next 3 days. And then that front stalls out, so those showers will become a bit more numerous across parts of Nevada and Utah on Monday as a trough of unseasonably deep low pressure carves out again. So temperatures, daytime temperatures, again, 10 degrees or more below normal. Great dispersion. That moisture under that troughiness starts shifting over to the east. And then on Wednesday, that trough moves up. We have another deep low pressure area up here in the Pacific Northwest that drives down another cold front with clouds and scattered showers across central areas, breezy and dry elsewhere. Strong southwest winds here in the south, along with a good daytime heating. Precipitation, this will be late Monday or early Tuesday into early Thursday. Again, it's mostly in the central and eastern areas, but some in Idaho as well. And then more wetness shifts to the north into some of the national forests of central Idaho and into western Wyoming as well, but pretty dry further south. These are the 7-day totals. And the 8 to 14 day shows cooler than normal temperatures for many areas, near normal in the south. Normal precipitation to perhaps a bit drier than normal across eastern and southern areas. This concludes our briefing. Have a great day. Next one will be this coming Monday.